Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this cross top with the help of a part design workbench in FreeCAD. And we have the isometric drawing of this cross top, and we will use the part design workbench. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So create a new file and create a body, create a sketch, and we will select this front plane, and we will create a 2-point rectangle simply, and total height is a 115. So we will select this line and add the vertical dimension of a 115, and total length we will add by adding the dimension which we will read from our drawing. So here is a 45, 45 and 65. So 45 plus 45 plus 65. Now we will close the sketch, and here the extrusion length is a 115. So we will select the sketch, click on extrude and give 115 and click on OK. So this is the total area of our cross top. And now we will select the right face and click on the sketch. Now we will click on project geometry. We will project all the geometry, and now we will click on the line tool and create a line. Now if we can see here, this is the 18 mm. So we will select these 2 points and add the dimension of 18 mm. And now I will completely close the profile. We want to remove the material at this portion, so upper side we will close it. Now we will switch to the isometric. So here model got rotated, so we will delete this sketch and we will again create the sketch, and this time we will create our sketch in isometric view so that we get the perfect orientation as per our model. So we will project all the geometries. Now we will select the line tool and join these two. Now we will add the horizontal dimension of 18 mm, vertical dimension, so in this case it is a horizontal one, 18 mm. And now we will close the top portion, so we will select the line tool. So we will select this point and this line at the coincidence, so it is fully constrained. Now we will select the sketch and completely remove the material. Click on the pocket and say true all. Now if you see here, this is the 40-45 is 90. Now we will create the cut at this side, at the top and the bottom. So for this we will select the face and create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric, and now I will project these two edges. So click on convert geometry option and project these two, and now select the line tool. Now make this line horizontal, sorry, in this case it will be vertical. Select the line. Now from the top it is 35, so I will select this point and this point and add 35 dimension, and now we will close the profile and give the cut depth of a 65. So select on line, now close it. Now select the sketch, click on the pocket and give the distance of 65. Now we will make the cut at the bottom side, so we will again select the right face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric view. Now if you see here, 35 plus 30 is 65 from these top points, but we will give the 30 dimension from here. For this we will project outer edge, and now I will also project this one. Now I will create a line and I will add the vertical height of 30. Select this point and this point and give the 30. Now we will completely remove the material, so we will rotate our model and also project this bottom edge, and now I will close the profile by joining the projected points. Click on close, and the cut depth is a 65, so click on the pocket and provide the distance of 65. Now we will add the material here like a triangular block shape. For this we will rotate our model, select the backspace and create on the sketch, and now switch to the isometric, and now we will project this edge. And now we will draw the triangle approximately, and we will close our triangle. Now we will switch to the isometric and we will rotate to the back side and make this face normal. Now we will give the dimension, as it is a 65, so we will select the line and add the 65. And now we will close our sketch, switch to the isometric, select the sketch and click on the pad, and from here select on reverse, and thickness of is 45, so we will add the 45 dimension. Click on OK. Now we will create the whole feature. So first we will create on this triangular block. So here is a 2 holes of dia 22, so we can use the hole tool, or we can also use the cut option. So I will use the cut option. Switch to the isometric, and now I will select the circle and create a circle, and I will project this horizontal and vertical. And now I will select the dimension option and add the dimension. So vertical is 25, and from the horizontal it is 22.5, and we will select the diameter option and give it a diameter of 22. Click on close, select the sketch, click on the pocket tool and say true all. Click on OK. Now we will make this hole on this face, so select the face and click on the sketch, click on the isometric and click on the circle option and give it a diameter of 22, and we will project this edge horizontal and vertical, this and this. I will select this point and this point at a vertical dimension of 20 and a horizontal dimension of 32. Now I will close it, select the sketch and click on the cut, and I will say true all. Now we will make a hole here as well. It is a half hole which is of a diameter 38. So we will select the bottom face and click on the sketch, click on the isometric view, and now we will project this edge, and now we will create a circle, as it is of R90, so we will get a diameter 38, and from the edge it is 45, so we will select this point, or I will make it this face normal. I will select horizontal dimension, which is of a 45. Click on close, switch to the isometric, and click on the pocket tool, and from here say through all. So here we have completed our model cross-top. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the part modeling in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial, how to model this cross-top with the help of a part design in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.